أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today we are going to start lesson number 14, that is about the rest of the two rules we have done in lesson number 12. In lesson number 12 we have done the rule of izhar and ikhfa. We did in detail the definition and the examples, and the rest of the part was in lesson number 14, and before this lesson number 13 is finished, alhamdulillah, in which tashdid and its examples we have done in Urdu and English. And now today we are going to do lesson number 14, which is about the rules of idgham and iqlab. I am highlighting the first rule, rule number 3, that is about idgham. Idgham actually means to mix up together, like mixing up a letter with the letter. In tajweed, in the rules of noon sakin and tanween, if after noon sakin, after noon sakin or tanween, these are two conditions, after noon sakin or tanween, in any of these 6 letters they come, so we have to mix up noon sakin or tanween into these letters. They are called yarmaloon letters. Yarmaloon, like if we put them together to make a word, so they are yarmaloon. Ya, ra, mim, lam, waw and noon. These are 6 letters, yarmaloon letters. So after noon sakin or tanween, if any of these letters appears, we have to do gunna also, and we mix up, but there is exception to 2 letters. These are lam and ra. In lam and ra, just we mix up, but we don't do gunna. And the other 4 letters, noon, waw, mim and ya, and the combination of these 4 letters, the rest of the 4 letters, the combination is yu'minu. So in yu'minu letters we mix up and we do gunna, but in lam and ra we just mix up but we don't do gunna. Now we do the definition of iqlab. Iqlab is also a small rule and easy one. That is the last and the 4th rule of noon sakin and tanween. Iqlab means to change the letter with another letter. So it has only one letter to be changed, that is ba. It says like if after noon sakin or tanween the letter ba appears, the letter ba, so we have to change the sound of noon sakin and tanween into mim. Instead of noon sakin or instead of tanween, we have to say a small mim. Wherever in the Holy Quran the rule of iqlab is applied, so for the ease of the people and for the readers, for the reciters, they have put a small meme over, so everyone can see and understand that we have to do gunna here, and also we have to change noon sakin or tanween into meme. Instead of noon sakin or tanween, we have to say the meme. So ba is the reason, actually ba is the cause. We have done with the definition of idgham and we have done with the definition of iqlab. Every rule needs specific letters, so it becomes a little complicated and a little confusing sometimes, that how we recognize and memorize these letters which they come in these 4 rules. The trick is, as I have titled this video, that I will tell you a trick, I will tell you a small tip that how you can memorize and how you can keep these letters into your mind, whatever they come, whatever the letters they come in every rule. That is very easy. For example, if you memorize, altogether there are 29 alphabets in Arabic. If you memorize the letters of izhar, there are 6 letters. There are 6 letters. They are also called haruf halqiya. So these are like hamza, ha, ain, ha, ghain, kha. If you memorize the letters of idgham, they are ya, ra, mim, lam, waw, noon, yarmaloon, 6 letters. And also if you keep in mind the letter of iqlab, that is ba. So the rest of the letters are definitely the letters of ikhfa. You don't need to memorize them. You just need to subtract. You just need to deduct the letters of these 3 rules from the total alphabets, and the rest of the rules are definitely the letters of ikhfa. So this is a speedy trick. This is a speedy way how you can, an easy way how you can memorize the letters of every rule. So we have done with the definition, alhamdulillah, and I am just scrolling the page down to show you the examples. We will do first the examples of idgham rule. And idgham rules, the first condition is that if there is noon sakin and after that the letters of yarmaloon appears. So this line which is showing you here, these 4 examples, the 4 boxes, they show you that there's noon sakin before the next word. The first word is ending with noon sakin. In every word there is man. First one is man, then min, then min, then min. So every word, the first word of the box is having noon sakin. So we have to see the letter coming after noon sakin. Here after noon sakin, the letter ya is one of the yarmaloon letters, one of the 6 yarmaloon letters. So how do we say it? It is mim, ya fatha may. We are mixing up mim with ya. Mim ya fatha may, and then ya fatha ya, maya, and then it is qaf waw dhamma qu, mayaku, and then it is lam dhamma lu, mayaqulu, and then it is mim waw kasra mew, waw fatha wa, mewa, ra fatha ra, mewara. So the rule of idgham is applied over here, that after noon sakin the letter waw is one of the yadmanun letters. So we are mixing up noon sakin with the letter waw, and also we are doing the gunna because waw is one of the letters in which we have to mix up and we have to do gunna. So here it is mewa, and then ra fatha ra, mewara, and then it is qaf lam kasra qil, mewaraqil, jim noon fatha jan, noon fatha na, janna, and then it is ta kasrati, jannati, mewaraqil jannati. There are two gunnas. The first gunna is because of the idgham and maloon, and the second one is again because of the idgham and maloon. If we open this noon which has tashdid over, so the first noon is noon sakin, another noon appears, and noon is one of the yarmaloon letters. So here we mix up the first noon to the other, so this is idgham yarmaloon. Next one is mim ya kasra mi, ya waw fatha yaw, miyaw, and then mim double kasra min, min. Next one is mim waw kasra mew, waw fatha wa, mewa, and then it is lam ya kasra li, mewali, ya double kasra yin, mewaliyin. So these are the four examples we have done about the noon sakin, the first condition, that is noon sakin. Now we follow the second condition, that is after tanween, because the rule applied in two conditions, whether there is noon sakin and whether there is tanween. So we do some of the examples of tanween over here. They are just mix up examples. This line also shows that the two letters, they are accepted from gunna. So this is mim dhamma mu, ha mim fatha ham, muham, mim fatha ma, muhamma, dal ra double dhamma dur, muhammadur, ra fatha ra, muhammadur ra, sin waw dhamma su, rasu, lam lam dhamma lul, rasulul, lam standing fatha la, rasulullah, and then ha kasra hi, rasulullahi. All together we say Muhammadur Rasulullahi. And then you see over here after tanween there is the letter ra. So after tanween the letter ra appears from the letters where there is no gunna. Ra and lam are accepted from gunna. Here we do not do the gunna, we directly attach dal double dhamma with ra. So it says like Muhammadur Rasulullahi, like this. And the next one is ra fatha ra, hamza waw dhamma u, one alif longer, ra'u, and then fa ra double dhamma fur, ra'ufur, and then ra fatha ra, ra'ufur ra, ra'ufur ra, and then it is haya kasra hi, Ra'ufur Rahim. Some people they mix up the sound of Hamza with Ain and they say Ra'u. So there's no Ain. Don't mix up the sound of Ain in Hamza because it changes the meaning of the word. Ra'ufun is one of the name of Almighty Allah, and Rahim is also one of the names. So it should be clear, visible and prominent and without any mistake. This is Ra'u, Ra'ufur Rahim. and then meme double damma mun, Ra'ufur Rahimun. And then the two words, the rest of the two words we can do without the signs, like Musaddiqal lima, and then it is Wailul kulli. We can do one more word, which we can do one more word in which there is gunna. This word, you see, after tanween there's the letter ya, and ya is one of the yarmalun letters. We can read this word like wujuhu yawma idhin, and this word also, you see, of wow is also yarmalun letter, so this is hudan wa dhikra. This one is Sirajam Muniran. So these three words which I just highlighted, these words they have after tanween the meme and wow and ya. So these are the letters in which there is gunna. We have done today the rule of we did the definition of idgham and iqlab as well, but we did the examples of idgham only. Inshallah, in the next video, in the second part of lesson number 14, we will be doing the examples of the rule of iqlab. Thank you so much for watching and listening to my video. May Allah accept our pleas, prayers and wishes. May Allah help all Muslim Ummah, and may Allah give you a long, healthy life. Ameen, inshallah. Please remember me, my family, in your prayers, inshallah. See you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.